Ka morago ba siyo dipolotiking dikgwedi tse 27 Athol Trollip o gutla a se a apere mmala wa mokga o mong wa dipolotiki mme o re o batla go bona diphetogo profenseng ena ya Eastern Cape.
All previous initiatives have not been good enough to dislodge the ANC. So, you know, the definition of madness is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different outcome. I'm prepared to try something new to change the political landscape in the Eastern Cape.
Trollip o dumela hore tsebo a nang le yona dipolotiking e tla thusa mokgeng wa habo o motjha.
If you compete politically, it doesn't turn you into an enemy. In fact, if you leave somewhere or you belong to a former organization, you start a new one and you meet again, it gives you common ground to negotiate about cooperation. So I know that there are good people in my previous political organization that are prepared to put South Africa's interest first.
Action SA ha ena botshehetsi bo boholo profenseng ena mme boteng ba hae bo bona e tlo ba katleho e kgolo.
I think under the leadership of Athol Trollip, I believe we can reclaim and regain the pride of the Eastern Cape. We're having him as our provincial lead, chairperson. Athol, thank you so much for really accepting this huge responsibility.
Mashaba o boetse a hatella ntlhakemo ya hae kgahlano le EFF.
The EFF voted for me. They gave us 30 seats. I am going to treat every one of them with respect.